What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a thermostat heater water fountain. This is supposed to be like a heater to heat up the water, your bird bath. We're gonna go ahead and open it. The first thing that comes out is one of the nozzles. This is one of my favorite nozzles, one of the overflow ones. So I like that. That's something different for this style of fountain right here. And here we go. Wow. And I want to let y'all know that this is pretty heavy, you guys. This is not light. This is actually heavier than the fountains that we usually review. This is a pretty big pump. All right, let me go ahead and take this out of the bag real quick. And it's very odd for me to review a fountain in the winter time. So this is the first time I reviewed a fountain in the winter, which is very interesting. So I will be testing out the temperature on this thing. I just want to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like outside of the box. Got a little protector here for that. All right, and you guys, this wire, well, it is a wire, right? This cord right here, this power cord is pretty thick, you guys. Like, very thick. All right, so yes, when you do this, you definitely gonna need an extension cord, and it's very simple. One page, you guys, one page. This is all we need. Do I have to edit this? Let me put this right here. You can pause it. Okay, you guys, so this is more like an automatic thing, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and post the function on this. So this is basically like a sensor. Like, it senses the temperature of the water, and it adapts to its own temperature, what it needs to adapt to. That is pretty interesting. Yeah, anyways, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, I am ready to hook this up. I know my bird bath is a little dirty, but I'll clean it out in a little bit. So what you do is put this in here, and it fits directly in. I'll have to set it up just like that so it can stay put in the middle. I'm gonna plug it in here, and then I gotta plug it in to the power source. Take your nozzle out like this and give it some space, okay? So you see there's threads on here. So what you wanna do is try to like loosen the thread some. And there you go. And we'll let the magic work. I'm gonna come out here maybe in another 30 minutes to see if the water has gotten any warmer, because the water is definitely freezing right now. But I got everything plugged up, and let's see what happens. All right, you guys, so one thing I can say is that the water is definitely warmer, but it's not like super hot, okay? It's just like, I just say warm, okay? Now, that's for one. Now, if you need to adjust this right here, it's a thread. So basically you thread it to reduce, and then it's like you loosen it, well, tight. Well, righty is tighty, right? So when you go right all the way, it goes like wow, like that. So you got to turn it left, and then you lower the water right there. All right, now another thing about this is I don't know how to take the filter off. I was very close to breaking it, so I didn't want to break it. So as far as like the filter goes, I can't take it off on this machine right here. So if anybody in the comments may know, then they could put it in the comments. I'll pin it. If you can refer somebody to a different video, then that would be awesome as well. Another thing with my bird bath is not flat, so this is kind of in the angle due to the wire, and I took it out. It's kind of in the angle due to the wire being right there, but I just straighten it up a little bit, and that is as much as I can do. I will have to put like something else over here to like level it out, but that's good enough. You can't really tell if it's in an angle or not, but that will be all. And if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible.